How to fix OBS game capture not working in Valorant. So over here, there are some people with the same problem, but solutions that they have given as well that usually works and has been tested and has worked for them. So one of the first things over here that is shown is that you can delete game capture from sources. You can launch Valorant, add game capture, then add Valorant from a specific window, alt tab to Valorant, and then alt tab back to OBS. But since that's a bit too complicated, there is a easier option over here, which is just running OBS in administrator mode. So make sure the game capture has Valorant as the specific game, and go to the game and make it windowed full screen and apply, and then back to full screen apply. So to do that, just go ahead and right click directly your OBS studio, and you should be able to find a run as administrator on your OBS studio. So you can just follow that, but there are some stuff like making sure your aspect ratio method in Valorant is on fill, or usual running OBS as admin or administrator, which works for multiple people. But anyways, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.